More protection may be on the cards for users of buy now, pay later services. Singapore's consumer watchdog is calling for safeguards, including capping the maximum purchase allowed to those aged below 21, with BNPL transactions set to grow. Chloe Chu with this report.
While shopping, you come across your dream bag selling at half price. You're low on cash and a buy now, pay later service ad catches your eye. It says you just need to pay about $100 a month for the next 3 months to get your dream bag. But pay late and you could end up paying hefty fees. BNPL services are fast becoming popular in Singapore. Last year, such transactions hit $440 million. Still, it's less than 0.5% of the total credit and debit card payments. But market researchers expect it to grow exponentially at a 40% compounded annual rate over the next 3 years. Already, close to a fifth of locals aged 16 and above used a BNPL service last year. But Singapore's consumer watchdog is warning of its dangers. It suggests letting users set limits on how much they can purchase so that they don't overspend. It's also calling for a maximum penalty charge. CASE is also pushing to integrate buy now, pay later accounts with credit ratings to protect customers who aren't creditworthy from using the service. Financial experts say this is a good move.
If you're a buy now, pay later fintech, you'll absolutely say we're not providing credit, but the reality is they are. Take the UK regulator. The FCA has said we're going to extend the regulatory perimeter to treat these products like lending products going forward. They'll have all the obligations of any other type of lending product, like a mortgage or consumer finance. I think we've got to think the same way in Singapore.
KPMG says consumers also don't know what type of late payment fees they may face. CASE is pushing for regulations so that BNPL ads display the full amount that must be paid if someone defaults on their installments.
Buy now, pay later can be a useful financing scheme for some consumers, but it can easily become buy now, pay later if consumers cannot pay the installments on time. So while we push for safeguards, we also want to take this opportunity to encourage consumers to prioritize their spending.
Mr. Yong also calls on BNPL services to put in place proper channels for dispute resolution. The association says that since January last year, it received 18 complaints involving such platforms, including not being able to get refunds.